Hi everyone, meteorologist Chad Evans here with a look at your daily weather forecast video, sponsored always by Trent Johnson State Farm. TrentIsMyAgent.com. Boy, do we have changes ahead. But first things first, high fire danger. Today the brush field forest fire risk is pretty high given the very low humidity, the wind blowing, and just the tender, dry vegetation from the ongoing drought and the vegetation that's been cured by recent freezing temperatures, and that risk will continue until about Thursday night. And then we start to get more moisture in here and higher humidity with some showers, a few storms from two main storm systems. Then we've been talking about this for a good month. It's been more than a month, a long while, timing out our first flakes, timing out our first snow showers. And I still think we got a higher than normal risk of getting our first inch of snow for part of the area before Thanksgiving Day. But lows this morning, look at that, 35 at Rochester, 31 at Delphi and the Purdue Airport, as we're getting more consistent freezing temperatures at night. 35 at Kokomo though, but we still got to below freezing at Pine Village at 31, 32 at Kentland, and we dropped to 31 degrees at Crawfordsville. But now with sun mixed with some clouds out there, you can see I-65 here at Highway 43 and 47. A lot of bare trees, still some good fall color, but a lot of bare trees. A lot of leaves have come down, but it's a warm, breezy day and dry. 65 right now at Attica, 65 at the Grissom Air Reserve Base, Monticello, Round Grove 65, and we're 64 degrees at Mariann's Weather Station there in Remington. Just some patches of high and mid-level clouds coming through this afternoon. And if you look close, you'll see little streaks coming out of these clouds. That's Virga. It's some precipitation that's trying to fall, but it's drying up on the way down. There's a ribbon of instability or a little cold air loft bubbling up these mid-level clouds a little bit, and they're producing little bits of Virga that you'll see the streaks in the sky. But again, none of that reaches the ground though. It is extremely dry this afternoon, but the trend is to clear things out this evening before more clouds start to come in with time, ahead of another weak little storm system that won't produce any rainfall per se, but it will reinforce kind of a west-northwest wind coming into our area. So another little front will come through tomorrow. The thing about it though is, with this front coming through tonight and the clouds increasing and it not being nearly as cool as last night, behind it, it really doesn't get cooler. Tomorrow is actually warmer than today because we have something called a positive EPO. Big ridging up here, a lot of warmth up here. The winds blow up and then down the Rockies. They downslope and they warm here, and we get some of that warm air. So even though a cold front will come through, where's the air coming from? It's coming from here. Typically it's colder there. In this case, it's not, as it downslopes and warms up out of the Rockies. So tomorrow, behind the front, it will be warmer than it was today. But different story into the weekend. By Thursday evening and then into Thursday night, Friday morning, we'll be watching a cold front come in from the northwest. This one will have colder air it will tap into. It'll have some moisture, so we're going to get a band of some scattered showers and a few thunderstorms on Friday. The timing is a little unclear. The thought process here is perhaps midday-ish time frame. Any severe weather risk would tend to be far southern Indiana, Kentucky, Tennessee, down to Mississippi and Louisiana. This goes through, then a break, and then another system pivots through on Saturday. Now this one will produce some showers mainly late in the day, but look what happens behind it. The isobars, the lines are tight. They are coming in from the north and northwest. This is much colder air coming in, the coldest weather really since early last spring. We're going to see hard freezing ahead, and yes indeed, we get some snow showers behind it. And this model suggests that lake effect snow is going to be pretty potent here. We're going to see several inches of lake effect snow, parts of Michigan, parts of northwest Indiana. You'll notice that blue getting into our area. Here's the takeaway. If we're going to get a little bit of accumulation of snow, like a dusting, right? It's going to be Sunday night, early Monday morning. as temperatures fall into the 20s. We will watch that, but the potential is there for some snow showers late Sunday, Sunday night, and even a few lingering into Monday. And we will watch Sunday night, Monday morning for perhaps a few localized dustings of snow on grassy and indeed elevated surfaces. Then beyond that, after that cold air comes through, we'll probably have a night or two where lows are in the teens to low 20s to really put the kibosh on any fall color. Then it warms up and it gets windy, and here comes a storm system in from the west. This front will stall over the area, and we're going to have repeated rounds of showers and thunderstorms along it. There'll be a lot of severe weather down here, but we will tend to warm up into the 50s mostly. Along this front here, much warmer here, cooler to the north, and multiple rounds of showers and storms between about the 15th and 18th or 19th of November. This could be some really good soaking rain for the area. Some of the greatest amount of rainfall we've seen for the area as a whole in a few months. You really got to go back to August or July to find the potential of getting such high totals area-wide. I think the entire area may see more than an inch or inch and a half of rainfall. That includes every community in the area. And then more rain around the 19th before more cold air comes in, and we'll watch a pattern like this evolve where we have clippers coming in from the northwest. This could bring some snowfall before Thanksgiving. We'll be watching that as well as more cold air will slide in behind that. So we still got that shot at getting that first inch before Thanksgiving this year. Tonight, as I said, much warmer. Clouds increasing again. The wind picks up. Winds will be gusting up to 37 miles an hour with lows near 50 to the low 50s area-wide. Tomorrow's a warmer day, even though the wind is northwest, still a high of 69 with 65 to 72, but high fire danger evolving in the afternoon with winds gusting 30 to 40 miles an hour. Enjoy the warmth tomorrow, and not bad Thursday with 61 for a high after frost in the morning. Sunshine, some clouds. Clouds will tend to increase late in the day, and the wind picking up from the southeast as well, with your highs in the upper 50s to low 60s. So for the Purdue-Ohio State matchup at Ross-Ade, kickoff at 1 p.m. Saturday, a couple isolated showers, then a few scattered showers towards halftime and final score, with temperatures generally in the 50s. All right, extended forecast. There's Friday with 65. A band of scattered showers and a few storms. Breezy Saturday, some showers again mainly later on in the day. Scattered rain and snow showers Sunday, only 42. Some snow showers Sunday night, Monday morning we will watch as temperatures dip quickly down into the 20s. High of only 35 Monday with some scattered snow showers and flurries. 39 Tuesday, a 19 in the morning, and then we start to warm up, and down the road better chances of solid soaking rainfall and even some thunderstorms as a front stalls in the area towards the midpoint of the month. Have a great day, everyone.